Hi guys, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. This is binary option trading, and I would just like to show you how I use this trading system. Only had 3 trades now. I had about 3 trades also hours ago. So it's actually almost 2:30 p.m. GMT plus one. Okay. This account was actually around 60 something this morning when I brought it up to this. Using this trading system strictly. There is an arrow pops up. The arrow pop-up, I expect it whenever it is around this blue line, which acts as resistance and support. Here is acting as support, here is acting as resistance. Now, then there's another line which acts as trend continuation. This yellow line acts as trend continuation. Don't be deceived. When at times there will be a blue line, the way it is here, just as this candle was crossing getting across the blue line, it actually broke the resistance, and immediately I zoomed I zoomed out. I saw it that, oh, this is a very great support area. But because it broke it, I knew the next candle would go down. I traded put on USD JPY. Here, you can see it here, USD JPY. I traded put. Immediately I traded put, the blue line disappeared, and because it has already broken it, the purpose was no more achieved, and it's changed to the yellow line, which means continuation. But I knew because it had already broken it and I traded, this arrow popped up, and it was a 1. Okay, so if the way it is now, the yellow line has been there before the creation or before the emergence or before the formation of this red candle. If this red candle now crosses down conveniently, if it crosses down, that is continuation. You can trade put in the next candle opening. When the next candle is open, you can trade put. If this red line, this red candle crosses this yellow line, because the yellow line was already formed before the formation of this red line. If the red line cut across the way it is now, I will trade put. Okay. Otherwise, if it were to be blue line that was there before, I'm going to wait. Maybe I'm going to see an arrow pop up into the up direction. Do you understand? So let's see other opportunities. Patience is all that you need in trading, either forex or binary option trading. If you really want to make money, there is no need for you forcing the market on yourself. You have to wait. Wait. This, I'm expecting call arrow here. If call arrow comes up anywhere around there, I will trade. Here, 2 things I'm expecting. Either this red candle breaks through the continuation pattern. The yellow is the continuation pattern. If it breaks through it, then I trade put. Otherwise, if I see a call arrow, I will trade, because now it may be acting as a support. Okay. Here, you see, it actually acted as a support here. Here is actually a support, and we know. So, as it is, there is nothing you wanna do. Just calm down and relax and wait for the perfect formation. You can also use this system of 10 minutes time, 15 minutes time frame. But I use it more and I enjoy it more on 5 minutes time frame. If it be 15, here, see, look at, you can see before you, it's a great support area here and also here. So, peradventure, it might Really, this might be a very strong support area. Look at it very well. And be a very strong support area. So I'm looking for the candle to keep going up. Okay. The next candle opening should be a buy most often. Look at it here. It tested it here. It went up. It tested it over here. It went up. It tested it here. It went up. So it might go up in 15-minute expiration. This also might come down 15-minute expiration. But in 1 minute time frame, I don't really trade it because I'm copying this straight to binary.com. They don't have 1 minute expiration. So I'm going to place a trade on USD CHF 15 minutes expiration on a call. Market is calm now. Today being Friday and it's already almost 2:30 GMT plus 1. See here. Let me take it to 5 minutes. See it's uptrend. Okay. It obeys both 5 minutes. Look at even on 5 minute time frame, it got here and it retraced. Look at what I told you that time. The yellow line actually acted here as a support line. So whenever an arrow pops up around that region, I do capitalize on it. I took this trade there. This arrow, I didn't take this arrow because I had a trade going on then. So I took this next candle, which was GBP USD call, my last trade. GBP USD call. Okay, that was my second trade. Okay, I trade more 5 minutes time frame. So I will maintain my 5 minutes trading. So presently there is no opportunity to place any trade. So I'm going to be putting this video on a pause and come back when the opportunity arises. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. Thanks for waiting. Hi guys, it's been almost an hour. I left this video. I actually paused the video almost an hour. I was busy. Just came back now and I saw the market has moved. Well, I just want to try and take a trade before you to see how this system is being used. Okay, I think there was some sort of news that's causing the spike, or there's going to be news. I have to check now. can see the three things we are actually looking at. The three pairs. This NZUSD, GBP good. Here we are expecting a reversal, but we should also be careful because we have another bigger support below. The trend might be going to touch, but as it is, it has tested once, twice. This is the third time it's breaking through, but let's wait. As it is now, you are not going to trade immediately back because we are having another condition below it. So you wait for the pop up, an arrow here. If there is a pushback arrow here, a reversal arrow here, then best time to enter when the arrow pops up here. Here, there is a reversal, so this is gone. Forget about it. So that is gone. We are now it's GBP, JPY, and NZ has already also retrieved. It has reversed. So we are just looking at GBP, JPY now. And as you can see, there is already a reversal, strong reversal already. So as it is, in the opening of the next candle, I'm going to be trading up. In 5 minutes expiration, I'm also checking other pairs. Here I'm trading a call. 5 minutes expiration on GBP JPY. Traded. Now this is what I'm telling you. When the candle closed, it actually closed on the resistance. Okay, I mean on the support. Now the support now changed to this yellow, which might mean a continuation pattern. But it's going to be, look at it. See that? Another trade might just be taken out, but I want, which means you don't need to worry about this once it was not there before the candle crosses. So, and most often I do observe when this happen and this yellow pop out, there's going to be a confirmatory arrow, which simply means that the trend is go up accordingly. The trade had already been taken. This call. So that's just the way to use this trading system. You see when the arrow pops up. If you have the time to trade, good. If you don't have the time, then you leave it on auto trader. So combining this technical analysis, the support, the resistance plus the arrow is the best. You will have a better result for those who cannot allow you to trade automatically. This session this morning, 3 trades, 100%, one here. But not only 3 trades I've had today, I've had other trades that was very early. I woke up very early to have those trades. I think I had about 3 trades, one lost, 2 won or so. I can't remember. So we're still having some time, so I'm going to put this video on pause to avoid unduly long. In this case, once it happens this way, and you know that we are having another support below, and there is a retracement, Even when the arrow pops up, on the next candle, you enter the same direction of the arrow. So in this case, I'm going to Mantinge. Though this looked like a continuation pattern that is going to continue, but because of this below, I'm going to trade call also. Traded now. So now you could see that the yellow actually left because it had finished its work. Okay, which means it's going to be straight. Okay, yeah, just traded 10 USD call. So I'm going to leave this on a pause so that it's not going to avoid unduly long. I'll come back to the video when it's almost expiring. So we are still expecting it to end in profit, though the market is not stable now, but it's going to end in profit. I'm just being optimistic. We still have 1 minute 30 seconds. It's not yet over until it is over. My name is Odeyemi Akinyemi. So we are having some seconds to the end of this trade. So let's watch how it turns out. Still not yet over. This is mostly tied, but in binary.com, there is nothing like tied in binary.com. Let's see, it might be won narrowly, and it might not. That is binary.com for you. If this were to be IQ option, it's a straight one. Let's see what comes up here. That decides. But I hope it wins. Otherwise, that is binary.com for you. Here it comes, a 1. Okay, thank God. It was actually a 1. Another trade is being taken now because you can see clearly there was a support line here which was actually acting as a support around this region. So the pop-up came up, so I waited for the expiration of the candle. So here I entered the trade as a call. As you can see, GBP USD. So we have to wait for 4 minutes and see. It's going into green, it will go up. Okay, then let's see. Okay, this is going to be another call here. If it touches this, I'm expecting a pop-up. Once there is a pop-up, I'm going to trade up. This pair has too much of wicks. Look at wicks, long wicks. So may not take that trade. Continuation pattern. Let's see what happens there. So we are having about 40 seconds to the end of this trade. We are strongly in the money. Thanks to God for that. We are strongly in the money. I am Odeyemi Akinyemi, MNBM boss, Forex Broker Records boss. Let's make some money, and this is how we do it. Combining this indicator together with technical analysis is been producing also. So this system is going to be free to those who have actually gotten the lifetime license of the FBW binary auto trader. So we just want this again. If we are one of those who actually pay $200 for the lifetime of the auto trader, be expecting this for free. Just follow the procedure and the rule. And peradventure, if there is any question, please hit me up. I'm always here to answer your question. Once again, MMBM for life. Odeyemi Akinyemi will always be my name. Thank you. God bless you. So let's wait until when we are being credited. So as you can see, we have just been credited now. Okay. I actually moved this account from $60 or thereabout to 102 today using this trading system. Gradually, and it's been producing awesomely. Just combining the arrow together with the fundamentals. It's been so awesome. So awesome. Once again, this is free because this setup you are seeing here, you might be thinking it's one of those support and resistance that you see everywhere. Well, you can try it out, but it's definitely not it. This is a bunch of indicator that was addicted. I silenced some, I made some loud, I silenced some. It's free to those who actually have the lifetime license to the auto trader. Hit me up for this. It's actually free. Once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my tube. Odeyemi Akinyemi will always be my name. Money must be made. In God I trust.